Guys, I'm back. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Okay, it is very cold here right now. Show you the temperature. Very cold here now, but I bet over here in the Philippines, I bet it's a good temperature, like high, maybe 90s, okay? Maybe high 90s. But anyway, so there was a couple of runners yesterday. There was some nice running penny stocks yesterday, okay? A lot of you probably seen that. Now, I had quite a few of these shares right here, CYTO. As it was going up, I sold a big majority of it, okay, because I wanted to take my profit. And someone said, "Oh, you should have held it." Well, you know what? You're saying that when people say that, they saying that after the fact, after it already had ran, okay, after it already ran up even more. So of course, they can say that, but they can't say that prior to the run up because they don't know it's going to run up. So, is it going to run up today? I don't know. It's possible. The volume is already over 7 million. I'm only holding 7 shares, okay, because I sold a lot of them yesterday and I took my profit, okay. So I do have my eye on that stock right there, and I don't know. It may get halted again. It may get halted today if it does some funny stuff. And then this stock right here, I'm holding 143 shares of this. I'm right at the borderline of my average cost is 0.022. So I'm at the border right now. So I don't know what this is going to do. It's a gamble betting stock. So we're going to see how that does, okay? Let's see. This stock right here, 376 shares. I'm holding, 376 shares of that. My average cost is 18 cents, and we're a little bit below 18 cents. Now, I was thinking this was going to go down to 15, okay? I had it in my mind that it was going to go down to 15 at some point, like over here, like how it is over here, this 16 or 15. And I was going to buy even more if it does that. Don't go buy because I'm doing it, okay? This is just what I'm doing. So I wanted to buy more because I feel like it's going to have a nice run up like it did right here to 20. So I'm watching that stock. That had a nice run up yesterday. A lot of these penny stocks just had a nice run up. Now, I went on and got out of my TTOO because I was making money on something else. So I'm fine with that, okay? And of course, this stock right here, I'm down. I was hoping for the best for this. And the good thing about this stock, it's still compliant because you do not see a note up here. So this could go either direction. I don't know. I'm just holding on to it. I got 381 shares of that. Now, some of these penny stocks, you got to be very careful because they could get delisted. Like this one doesn't have a warning on it. This one doesn't have a warning on it. There's some that do, and I don't know why it's not showing up now, but there are some that are having non-compliance. Maybe it's going to show up when the market opens up. I don't know, but there's usually a note up here. Okay, let's go down here. Go down here real quick and see if it's on here. Yeah, I don't know what's going on. It's not there. So I guess when the market opens up, then they put the notice up there. So that's what they did. So I'm keeping an eye on these, and I'm going to see if we're going to have some nice runners today. And let's go over here and look at the daily price jumps. Okay. I always look at this and see what it's doing. This was down at $1.90, $1.99, $1.97, and now it's up $6. This took a massive run. Yeah, yesterday at 4 p.m. it ran up. Okay, from 85 cents and now it's $6. So I'm going to keep an eye on this. Do they have options? No, of course not. So I'm going to keep an eye on this because it's trying to run. I'm going to do a screenshot. Screenshot. Come on. I'm trying to take a screenshot of this. I just go like this. Do a screenshot like that. Okay. So I have the screenshot. So I want to see what this price is later on today. So that's why I'm doing that. Okay, it's trying to run. It may pull back when the market actually opens up at 9:30. But it's really trying to run. Look at this. Is this going to go to like 1,000% or 900%? Okay, yeah, it's very volatile, and yes, it's acting really volatile. Look at that. 760, 761. Okay, I need to stop looking at it. And I always look at this to see what's running. Okay, and then you can go over here while you're looking at it. You can go over here and see the stock price of it, $7, $28. You hit the price symbol, you can turn it any direction you want, from the least amount to the most. This right here, so this is China education, and I know I think it was last year, a couple years ago, all the Chinese education things were really booming. They were really running. So yeah, we're just gonna keep an eye on this. See how it ran up right here, 50 all the way up to here to $2. So yeah, we're just gonna keep an eye on a lot of things. Okay, disregard, go back, and pretty much my day is like I'm just gonna scalp some things. Okay, I really don't have any particular one that I'm really focused on besides these ones, the ones that have like over 100 shares. I'm trying to keep an eye on these I have at the top. Definitely trying to keep an eye on that. Now this one, I took a big loss on that, but I'm not worried about it because a lot of this money that's in this account is house money, right? It's money that I already made, and I'm okay. Okay, it's temporarily halted for whatever reason, so that's down, and I did open back up. So the volume is 0. Yeah. So I'm watching it. Okay. I don't even want to look at it anymore. But that's it, guys. I really don't have much to say. I'm just watching these things. Some of these things take off. This may start taking off again today, just like it did yesterday. But we will see. Okay. All right, guys. Take care. See you in the next one. And don't let no one tell you how to trade or spend your money. You do that. Okay. All right. Peace.